This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Magnitude Grand S29 is a Super CRV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Magnitude Grand S29 is built on a Ford F550 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.